Boxycharm number 11, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's basically a monthly subscription box that sends you 4 to 5 full-size products. And yeah, and it can go from like makeup brushes to skincare, shop. So yeah. And every month we do like our own little makeup look to it. So we like make a makeup look out of the stuff they provide. So yeah, I'm going to show you everything that comes with. It comes with cards. First thing is the Butter London Mascara. And this is $20. Next thing is this thing is South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels, which is $10. A Pretty Vulgar blush, and this was $26. Next is the Smoky Eye brush set, and here it is. This is $23. Then the eyeshadow palette was $36. And it's from Pure. So yeah, we're gonna try and do a look with these products. So we need to get all our products ready and we'll be right back. So first we're gonna try the South Main Under Eye Gels. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturize eye area. So step 1, thoroughly cleanse eye area. Apply this product underneath the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use probably after opening. For best results, use 3 consecutive days, and they provided 3 things, so perfect. So I'm gonna open it. So, ew! So here's what they look like. They're gooey. And it smells like roses. It's very cold. And so now we'll wait 30 minutes. These actually feel really cooling. So those things are really cool, and I heard some people put them in like the refrigerator, so they're really, really cool when they put them on their eyes, so I'm going to try that next time. But we're going to get started with the makeup look. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my Sephora Beauty Amplifier like facial primer. Yeah, oh, look at my hands. Okay, so oh. So the primer feels really soft. Next, I'm going to be doing foundation. I'm using the Mega Cushion Foundation from Wet n Wild. And I also got this Real Techniques Cushion Majigger, where it's like you dip it in there and you go. And they said to use it dry if you're using a cushion foundation. So that looks dark. I ain't that dark. Oh my gosh. So now the question is, would I rather use a beauty blender or would I rather use this? They're basically the same thing, but this has a handle. So I guess like this doesn't have a handle. Next is my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, next I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. So now I'm going to do my brows. So first I'm going to brush them out with this weird spoolie. Now I'm going to use the powder from Patrick Star by MAC. My flour sponge. So after that, I'm going to go in with my eye primer. Then I'm going to get this brush and blend it out. After that, I'm going to go in with the Boxycharm Pure Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to get the blending brush, and I'm going to get this dark brown. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. And I'm using the brushes from the Boxycharm. After that, I'm going to get this brush that they provided. And I'm going to get this color right above it. I'm going to get this brush, and I'm going to get the same brown, and I'm going to go under my nose. So that is the eye look, and so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back. So I have a completed eye look, so now I'm going to swatch a few colors. So here are the 3 colors, and I really like this palette. The only thing is that it's really like dusty and there's a lot of fallout. Next is mascara, and I'm using the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Here's what it looks like. Here's the wand. So that's mascara, and it works really well. Next, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar blush. This is from the Boxycharm. It's very fallout-y. Next is Fenty Beauty by Brianna, and this is the highlighter. Here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like, and I'm going to be using this side. So I really like this highlighter. It's very pigmented. Next is the lips, and I'm going to be using 2 products. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. And then I'm going to be using the Galaxy Glaze Holographic Lip Gloss by Flower. Next, I'm going to put on the Flower Holographic Lip Gloss. It's like iridescent, like a pink iridescent. But that is the completed look. Now I'm going to get some eyelashes on, and I'll be right back. So here's the completed look for Boxycharm number 11. So here's the completed look. I really like how it turned out, except the lip color. I don't like the lip color, so. But anyways, I'm going to do a recap of all the products, and I'm going to show you, tell you if I like them or not. So, first one is the Pure eyeshadow palette. I liked it. They're very pigmented. This is good. I really like the color of it. The brushes blend really well, and I would get them again. These, I like them because they're super like relaxing. And then this was just like a normal mascara, but it worked really well. But I just think the wand is too big. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clever 12. Bye!